Hello everyone and welcome back. So, I already announced it on Twitter, but it's also in the title. Well, Slimefun 5, it's coming. I know it's not clickbait. Well, it actually is pretty much clickbait. But, well, I'm currently working on a game that will be based on Slimefun. So I'm unofficially calling it Slimefun 5 for now. So the project is named Slimefun 5. It will have a proper name at some point, I hope. I hope I don't have to release it as Slimefun 5. But anyway, I just want to announce that I'm currently working on this. And it also has a GitHub repository. And this is what I want to ask from you. So on GitHub I made a project called Slimefun 5 in which there are localization files for English, German and Dutch at the moment. And I would like to ask for your help that for whether you could help us translate this game into your language. So if your language doesn't show up in here or if your language is incomplete, you can just fork this project, make the changes to your repository and make a pull request so you can change the language files. And you'll be listed as a translator in the game when it's officially released. And here's some instructions on this page on how to do it. I could just show you one file. There are not many keys at the moment because the game is very early in development. In fact, it's so early in development that I won't be showing you any footage today. But if you want to see some game footage, you could head over to my Twitter, because I'm sometimes posting a few screenshots here and then. But yeah, you can contribute by translating the game. You could contribute by submitting themes, because the game will have a code editor in itself, which will be used for the programmable androids, for example, and various other stuff. And you can create your own themes using an XML file, which has color codes in it. So if you want to have a custom code editor layout in the game, you can add that as well. And the game also needs a few textures, so if you're really talented with graphics, and I'm talking about 2D graphics, so you can think of this like a Minecraft texture pack. If you know how to create a Minecraft texture pack, and if you're good at it, then feel free to contact me on YouTube or send me a private message on Twitter or anywhere else, and maybe you could help this project, because, well, Slimefun 5, which is the unofficial name of this project, really needs a lot of textures, and I'm really horrible at textures. So I have a few artists, but it always helps to have more input than this. So if we can develop this project together, then we can have much more influence on the overall outcome, because we have more opinions on the subject. So yeah, if you want to contribute to Slimefun 5 in any way for that matter, then contact me or just contribute on this GitHub page itself by submitting localized files or themes. And these localized files will update pretty regularly, because the development is ongoing, so you'll see a lot more names that have to be localized in here pretty soon. And that's pretty much already it for this video. So, by the way, one other thing. As you can see, there's an issue tracker on this project, and you can see my to-do list in here. So if you want to check on this project's progress, you can just hit the issue tab and see what I'm currently working on. So here, for example, oh yeah, this is the in-game IDE code editor or crafting system, where I'm currently kinda what's it called again? Brainstorming, where I'm brainstorming different design ideas. I think I'm going for something like crafting table 4. And yeah, if you want to help with this project, you can also head over to the issue tab and comment on some of these points and submit your own ideas. And they can be considered. So yeah, if you want to help in any way with Slimefun 5, then contact me or head to GitHub. You can also watch this repository to get notifications when anything changes. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I have to say for today. I will be posting some footage on YouTube at some point, but not so soon, so don't quote me on that. If you want to see progress, head to GitHub or to Twitter. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye!